It's good YouTube, more Baby Monster as usual. Y'all told me to check out their Love Maybe performance because y'all know I liked it a lot. So y'all said it sounded even better live, which I'm pretty sure it do, because like their live vocals are just off the chart. So let's check it out. It's from their world tour. Oh boy. I'll be checking out Rami. I'll be checking out multiple of their performances from this. So don't worry. Sing it.
Falling for the first time. I got feelings that I can't fight. Lord, please have mercy on me. Push play, then I rewind. Think about you every day.
Let's go.
Boy, what you doing to me? Cause ooh, something different about the way you make me feel like.
Rita.
Something different about the way you make me feel like.
I don't know why I can't
boy.
control it. Takes hold of me. Is this for real?
This must be love, baby. Cause I never felt quite this way. Think this is love, baby.
Let's go.
Get weak when you calling my name. This must be love, love, love. I think this is love,
No, hold on. I gotta hear that again.
baby. Get weak when you calling my name. This must be love, love, love. I think this is love, maybe. Cause I don't know what else to blame. Look, I've been going out of my mind with the goosebumps, butterflies. I don't even wanna play the game cause you bring me every time. I think got it, but I think you picked the lock. Picking pattern, say love me not.
I love that
Gotta
flow
keep
right
my
there.
cool, what you made me do. Elevated, got me falling, I'm so into you.
I've been really trying to be conscious in my heart, but I can't deny how you got me caught up, and the feelings don't lie.
Something about you really making me feel. This must be love, love, baby. Cause I never felt quite this way. Think this is love, baby. Can't wait when you calling my name. This must be love.
Oh my.
Love.
This part right here, her voice on that part is roar. Oh my god.
This must be love.
What Disney movie is that where that's how they be singing? Is that Snow White? I don't remember exactly what Disney character would be singing like that, but that's exactly what it sounds like, and it's just perfection.
Calling my name. This must be love.
Oh my god.
I think this is love, baby. Cause I don't know what else to blame.
Afraid I lost myself and now I'm with you. There's nothing else I'd rather do. Oh, it really matters to me. Is that real love? Is that real? Is that real? Give up, just take my think this is love, baby. Cause I don't know what else to blame.
Oh, I'm at a loss for words. That part right there by Rami to close it out was just, oh my, yo, I'm not over exaggerating or nothing. Hearing it from the album was already like, hearing the recorded version was already like doing wonders on me, like have all type of crazy effects. Hearing them perform it live, then hearing her close it out, yo, their live vocals is really just like, I know I've said it about 50 times, maybe even more than that throughout my reaction, all the time I've reacted to Baby Monster. their live vocals is just like unmatched. It's insane, bro. I gotta hear this.
Think this is love, maybe. 'Cause I don't know what else to blame. Oh.
No, hold on. Yeah, right here.
Is that real? Give up, just take my Think this is love, maybe. 'Cause I don't know what else to blame. Oh.
Oh my gosh. That was great. Yeah, bro, give it up for that was great. Oh my gosh. That was great. Let me see what the Rami is literally looking like an angel on her vote. Yes. Why is that one talking about good? Yeah, Ruka. They all sounded phenomenal. Ruka was good as well. I ain't gonna lie. Rami just like blew me away. So that was like crazy. You know, I don't ever want to like, you know, say, oh, this person did better than the next. They all got phenomenal voices. But that, man, that was something else. Hey, YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I got more Baby Monster on the way for y'all, so be on the lookout. Peace out.